paddle the canoe. Whoa! Whoa! No.
One more time, come on.
All right, so Sunday, we're gonna get in the canoe. We're gonna paddle. Whoa! Daddy. Silly. What the? Who put this? Whoa! I think you're gonna throw up if you laugh anymore.
I think he's gonna pass out. One more time, it's funny.
Whoa! Daddy, you're crazy. Is Daddy crazy?
Yeah, Daddy is crazy.
Daddy crazy.
Jax, what's so funny?
Whoa! Whoa! It's not so funny anymore. It's not so funny anymore, Daddy.
Jax. Jax. Hi.
Daddy doesn't think it's funny anymore.
See?